Good morning, gardening friends. This is August 14th. This year has gone so fast, and I've gotten so little done in my garden. There's the old Japanese beetle. I haven't had time to be spraying my plants as often as what I should. But one of the things I did get done this year, it's a good thing, was I moved this big old hibiscus that was here that was coming way out and covering the sidewalk. And so I'm straightening up this flower bed here. So I've got all this tall stuff out of it. I trimmed off a bunch of these resurrection lilies yesterday. You can see the stalk sticking up there. I see I got some more to do just overnight. I did spray this loose stripe here yesterday. So they got this little white caterpillar that is chewing up all the leaves. Here's one right here. There. I sprayed these yesterday with soap. Soap with dishwater, I mean. Just soapy water. There's another one. I've tried to spray this again tomorrow, today. Put rocks across the front of it like this. There's some more of these little worms. Again today. Hope that helps that one off too. And the damn squirrels. There's something that I don't know. I've been digging in my flower pot full of moss roses that I started. I thought that was such a good idea. It germinated so well. Well, next year I'm going to plant a bunch of moss roses in here. Look real good. Here's where I put one of those. I divided it up into three. One of them there, another one right there. This one, this half I did like a whole month ago, so it grew up all new stems out of the ground. This one here has one stem left on it. And it's time to cut down this one here. So I need to come out and that loose stuff. This is what happens when the caterpillars are done with it. The worms, whatever they are. Earlier this year, you get this plant face. These daylilies look really bad when they're done blooming. And I saw on a video where one gardener just cuts them off to the ground. And they do that. Earlier this year, I had a fall I was in the hospital for a while and had a compression fracture in my back. I've not been able to do a lot this year. I've been trying to do what gardening I can, but things just look so bad. But I like to take a lot of these. I need to just cut all these off. They're all done. This hibiscus out here. Hibiscus flowers only last for one day. Out here looks so nice. It's such a nice color. I think this is probably my favorite hibiscus out here. This is a bush cherry. Never done anything. I'm just going to get rid of it, I think. Just dig that up and put other flowers there. And the path I had down the middle here is starting to close up. Here's some Asiatic lilies I didn't get just headed yet. Right here, the daylilies I didn't get this headed yet. Then I put another hibiscus over here. I gotta move it. It's getting so big. I don't want it here. This is a seedling that has grown there. But since I cut down this honeysuckle bush, it's been growing pretty fast. But for many years it's just a seedling, and it's all from seeds that the birds dropped. It has little berries on it, and there's a big one growing out back, and they probably ate the berries and then sat up here and dropped them when the honeysuckle bush was over this. And this honeysuckle bush keeps trying to grow back. I keep coming out and cutting these off, pulling them off. Look at this coral bell is just blooming all over the place here. And here's some bindweed or something I haven't been able to come out and pull up. These hollyhocks I started from seed are doing really good. And these lilies I thought were dead, so I planted them anyway. Turned out very well. Stargazer lilies. So these blue pines I planted from seed did really well. So some of the things came up. I'm still not decided whether to try and dig some of this stuff up and put it out front this year or next year. Looking at it now, I'm standing here thinking maybe next year might be best because you can see what's there when things come up in the spring. This is forget-me-not. These are zinnias. Okay, so if you like my garden, I don't know, small flowers I plant because I bet mixed packages. These are cornflowers, I know that. But these cantaloupes I planted come way over here and covering everything up. So if you plant cantaloupe, save enough room. Anyway, so if you like my garden, be sure and please subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate it. So thanks a lot, and goodbye, and I'll talk to you next time.